कोरोनामुळे आलेल्या संकटात मानसिक कोंडमारा झाला असेल, मनस्थिती थोडीशी ठीक नसेल, अभ्यास विसरला गेला असेल किंवा मध्येच आठवत नसेल, काळजी करू नका. उजळणी स्वरूपात 10वी अभ्यासमालेचा लाभ घ्या आणि यशस्वी व्हा.
I'm Sunil Lad. Today we are going to learn a poem. The poem's name is that I Am the Land, which is written by Marina D. Belagent. Now, at first we will concentrate on the title of this poem, I Am the Land. The land is a personified. Here, the Marina D. Belagent wants to tell us about the conditions of the land. The land tolerates so many things, and so the Marina D. Belagent gives instructions or gives suggestions for that the people do not do the violations, and so that's why the poet Marina D. Belagent has given message to that the people. And now here the introductions. Now we concentrate on the introductions about that a poet. Her birth near Milan in Italy. Her education BA in poetry and the recording media from the Mills College and the FA in visual arts from University of the California at the San Diego. She was a founder of the feminist publishing the house Kelsey Street's Press of Berkeley in 1997. Her poetry has published in anthologies and magazines in Canada, Italy, Britain, and Australia and the USA. It is a little bit introductions about that the Marina D. Belagent. Now we turn to our poem. Now we are going to summarize this poem because this poem is a very important for your exam. This poem is allotted for the 3 marks or the 4 marks, and so on the exam point of view, this poem is a very important. Now we are going to summarize this poem. The present poem, I Am the Land, is written by Marina D. Belagent. It is a heart-touching poem. The poet wants to describe about the patience of the earth, because here the man is a selfish animal on this earth, and so man has created so many the violations, and these violations are very, very horrible for that human being and other creatures on this earth. So the poet wants to describe the patience of the earth. What is the tone of our poem? That is the self-assertions. The earth bears everything patiently without any complaint, but man always complains to the others, gives complaints to the others. This poem is in a first person narrating, and in this poem the speaker is that is our land. Now at first we'll read this poem, and the poem is that I am the land, I wait. You say you own me, I wait. You shout, I lie patient. You buy me, I wait. With muddy walls and carlot eyes, I stare. Then someone tickles me. Plants lie, fruit, grass, trees, children dance, or someone sing. You come with the guns. You come with the guns. A chain link necklace chokes me now, and I wait. You cannot put a fence around the planet Earth. I am the land, I wait. This line, the I am the land, is repeated again and again in this poem. And the word particularly wait, the word comes in 5 times, and the word wait shows us the patience of the earth. She tolerates all things. All things means the violations of different types of violation which is created by the human being on this earth. And so the way the word shows us the patience of the earth. Now we are going to summarize stanza by stanza. In this poem there are the 5 stanzas, and now we are going to learn the first stanza. I am the land, I wait, you say, oh, you own me, I wait. Yes, the land, the speaker says us, I am the land. We try to understand, I am inanimate object, but you tolerate to in a different manners or different ways. I am the land, I wait, you say, you own me. The word the you is a refer to the man in this stanza. Man says that I am owner of this land, I am buyer of this land, but no one can owner of this land. But the man always says like that. Man says that you own me, I wait. Yes, again the land, the wait means he has a patience, lot of patience. Now we turn to the second stanza. You shout, I lie patient, you buy me, I wait. With the muddy walls and car lot eyes, I stare. You shout again and again on this earth, and you say like that, I am a buyer of this land. I purchased this land, so I became the owner of this land. The man says like that. Why? The man is always selfish, greedy, and so that's why man says like that. Yes, the man creates different types of the holes, muddy holes for his own sake, for his own benefits. But here, yes, only I stares to that the muddy holes or car lot eyes. Then now we turn to the stanza number 3. Then someone tickles me, plants like fruit, grass, trees, children, and the someone sings. Means here, in this poem, we'll get the different types of the people. Sometimes we'll get the farmers, sometimes we'll get the children, sometimes we'll get the soldier, different types of the people we'll get in this poem. The children would come and dance on this earth in a various ways, in a various manners. Yes, now here we try to understand this. The someone tickles me. Someone tickles me, someone means that is the farmers. Tickles me, farmers, yes, the plugs to that is the earth or that the land in a different way. Then the plants like fruit, grass, everything, the man is created so many things on this earth. Then the children would come and dance on this earth. Someone came and sing a song on this earth. Means the different types of people came on this earth, and they have done there are so many activities on this earth. Now we turn to that is the fourth stanza. You come with the guns and a chain link necklace, choke me now. In this stanza, the word you is a refer to the soldiers. Yes, now the soldiers came with the guns. Soldiers came with a gun and put the fence around the earth. And when the soldiers puts around the fence, what is the condition of our earth? Our earth's condition is a suffocating condition. Means here the earth's condition is a very horrible to take a breath. And so here the soldiers came with the guns and put the fence around the fence around that is the earth. But the problem was that the earth to take the breath or to her condition is like that is a suffocate. And now here means you come with the guns, you means soldier come with the guns, chain link necklace means that is a fence. Yes, choke me now means the suffocating or chokes her condition. And the last stanza is a very important here. Yes, the here Mother Earth put a challenge to that the human being, and these last 2-3 lines, the poet, the Marina de Bellagent, put in a capital letters. Why? Because the land put a challenge to the human being. You cannot put a fence. You cannot I wait, you cannot put a fence around the planet Earth. I am the land, I wait. Yes, I wait means you cannot put a fence around the planet and around that is the Earth. Because the Earth is a big planet. It is impossible to the human being, to that the man, to put a fence around the planet. Means here, the land put a challenge to that the human being. It is impossible to that the human being or the man to put a fence around the Earth because it is a big planet. And again she said, the last line, I am the land, I wait. Means here we try to understand the sea has a more patience, more and more patience. And so the intention of that the poetess Marina de Bellagent to stop the activities on this earth, violent activities on this earth. It is a message which is given by the Marina de Bellagent. It is a little bit the summary of this poem. The poem's name is that I Am the Land, which is written by Marina de Bellagent. Now we turn to the questions answer. The means this poem is allotted for the 3 marks questions or the 2, 3 or maybe 3 or the 4 mark questions they will ask, and so that's why now we concentrate on the 3 mark questions. Means that is a RC, that is a reference to context. I will put the 2 RCs. The first RC, then someone tickles me. First RC, we will concentrate on the first RC. Then someone tickles me, plants like a fruit. It is a statement, it is a line, and on that the line 3 questions are set on it. The first question, who does me refer to? In this line, the word me is a refer to whom. Who does me refer here? The me is the word me is a refer to that is our earth or the land. Next B questions. What are the activities conducted on the land? What are the activities conducted on the land? Means here farmers flux the land. The children also would come and dance on this land. The soldiers also came with a gun, and he also tries to put a fence around the earth. Yes, such are the activities which is mentioned in it. So you can write such are the activities. And the C, question number 3, that is how does the land react to this? And the land's reaction is at the end of this will get, yes, it is impossible to human being to put a fence around the earth because the earth is a big planet. It is impossible to cover all the land. Means on this earth, no one can, the buyer or no one can, that is the owner of this land. Yes, it is the 3 questions, A, B and C. And now we turn to the second RC. The second RC is that you cannot put a fence around the planet Earth. This line is a very important the exam point of view. So you concentrate more and more on this line. You cannot put a fence around the planet. On that the statement, the 3 questions are set on it. The question number A, who is the you? Who is the you? You means here that is the man or the human being or the land exploiter. We say that land exploiter, and so the word you is a refer to that the man. B, questions, what is the tone of the speaker? In this poem, the speaker is the land, and the tone of the speaker is that self-assertion. You try to understand the question's answer. Then C, why does it feel so? Because here the man is created sorts of violations and on this earth. So it is a very horrible to that the earth conditions becomes very horrible, and so that's why the land put a challenge to that the human being. It is impossible to put a fence around that is earth because it is impossible to because the earth is the very big the planet or the big earth, and so that's why means you cannot put a fence around the planet. It is means there are the 3 questions are set on that the line. The lines is that is the you cannot put a fence around the earth. Now we concentrate on that is a 4 mark questions. Here there are 4 more questions. You concentrate on it. How does the poet Marina de Bellagent express the feelings of land? Or write a brief summary of the poem I Am the Land. You can summarize this poem. Yes, in this poem, the poet gives the message to the reader. Then here the condition shows us the condition of our earth. Shows us through this poem. The poem's name is that I Am the Land. I think this this poem is a very important for the 4 mark questions. So you will use this summary in your exam, and I will give you best compliment for that coming exam. Thank you very much.
सबस्क्राईब करा तरुण भारत न्यूज चॅनलला आणि ताज्या घडामोडी सर्वात आधी जाणून घेण्यासाठी बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करा.